Bus ride. Listen to that diesel. Oh no, it's a £5 20-minute sea trip.
Summer Queen. Just a short safety announcement before we head out to sea. In the unlikely event of an emergency, there's 7 or more short blasts, followed by 1 long blast of the ship's horn. Please wait for instructions from the pilot.
Oh no, they're not landmines, so we're alright.
Safety equipment on board the anchor.
Just in those couple of units there, guys, the rights of the rebuilding on fish markets, they've created a lobster hatchery. They breed lobsters, then release them out.
Well, I've never left Whitby on a boat before, but I'm doing it now. Pirate flag.
Wales is September. We'll start seeing them July and through August, but most of them in September. It is the best time for wildlife for herring and spawning everything. And in September, they go for 2.5 hours.
I want it to be like that with other plastic people. So I didn't come like him.
Good beach there, guys, within the harbour. It was made famous.
Is that Captain Cook going out?
That's where he had Dracula in form of a dog and the wreckage. Across the beach, from St Mary's Church playground. Touching one to Whitby.
Getting close to the pier there, isn't it?
Many of you regular Whitby visitors probably noticed in front of us there at the skyline. I used to look European over the last few years. It is not actually. It's called Smith Park.